My name is Corey Heisey, and currently I live in Canada, in Calgary, Alberta, and I'm studying my master's in mechatronics and cyber-physical systems. It's a master's of engineering, and it's going good so far. And I'm going to be going, hopefully, to Germany soon. The school is in Germany, and I have to go eventually because it's not an online course. And yeah, so that's just a bit of introduction. But anyways, today I'm going to talk about my mechanical keyboard that I use. It's a Keychron K2, and there's three different kinds of switches, like for the keys. There's red, blue, and brown. And I was told that the red one is lighter, but it's like doesn't really give that good a feedback. And the blue one is like the best clicking, like mechanical, but it's quite loud. And the brown one's like kind of like a good in between. And I find it great feedback, great clicking, and great mechanical feel. And it doesn't seem too loud. But here, so this is the keyboard. You can have different lights on it and stuff. And it's obviously great for coding, but I like it for writing too, just like type away. It gives a great feel, so I'm going to type some stuff here. So you probably, I'll see if it picks it up from this microphone anyways, but I like it, it sounds great. And yeah, so my friend suggested it, and I was looking for a keyboard anyways, because it's nice to have something that's, you're not like way up here with the laptop. And I might as well get something good quality instead of like a Logitech from Staples or whatever. And it's a bit more money, but when I first got it, it was a bit weird, And then I got used to it, and I was like, oh, this is pretty good. And then when I would go back to my laptop or another wireless keyboard that's just like a regular one, I was like, this is just crazy. Like, this is way better. So now I definitely appreciate it and enjoy the mechanical keyboard, and I really like it. I think I paid, with shipping, and it was advertised on the website for US, so I think it was like 110, 120 Canadian, and on their website I think it says 70 US. So there was a bit of shipping because it's on Amazon or whatever, and the exchange rate obviously. So, but yeah, great. I mean, some of the like keyboards that are brand name, that are just the membrane crappy one or whatever, are like same price, so you might as well get something of good quality. And yeah, I like it. So that's all for today, and until next time.